Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to insert a PDF file into a Word document, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This may offer you new ways to create documents and present what you are needing to present. So without further ado, let us get straight into it. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is open a Word document. I am using the desktop app. However, it's the same process if you're using your browser version. Now, up at the top, you want to look for Insert. Okay, and from here, you want to go over to the right-hand side. And if it's not on the right-hand side, it will still be under the text ribbon. And you want to look for Object and use the drop-down menu and click on Object. Now what will happen here is you'll have either the Create New or the Create From File. What you want to do is select the Create From File, and from here you want to go ahead and click on Browse, and this will allow you to open up your device, and we want to go ahead and look for our PDF. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to look for a PDF, and let's use this one over here. Now once you tap on Insert, you will see that the options that you have is to insert a link to your file, your PDF file, or you can have the display as icon option. Okay, and this basically is what it will look like, but this is not what we want. We actually want it presented on our Word document, so we're going to leave this as is and click on OK. You will see now that it will open up, and because it's in a different aspect ratio or orientation, you can see that it's bigger than the actual page. It's overlapping our page. Now what we can do from here is use the corners and we can resize it. So let's resize it all the way down. You can see this is what it looks like, and there are a few other options. If you are right clicking on this, you can go ahead and you can see you can insert a caption, you can create borders and shading, and you can then also add a cover image onto there. And then additional to that, what you can do is you can double click on this PDF and it'll actually open the PDF separately in whatever program you use generally to open PDFs. Now, if this video was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you in another awesome video, folks. Peace.